Hello and welcome to Quick Tips, the WooCommerce video series. In this video, I'm going to install WooCommerce Membership System plugin. The name of the plugin is Sumo Membership. Using this plugin, you can create membership system on your WooCommerce website. You can also create an e-commerce website only for the members where you can create different membership plans and you can offer discounts for the members. The price of this plugin is only $39 for a single website. And you will see different features of this plugin. You can create simple membership and you can also create subscription membership. However, for that you will need Sumo subscriptions plugin. You can provide access for all users, members with particular plans, members without particular plan, all members or all non-members. You can provide access to pages, posts, products, custom post type and URL. So it is not only for the WooCommerce, you can also use it for the WordPress website where you can create members only content and you can restrict the access to the contents only for the members. Here you will see content restriction types, complete restriction, limited restriction or redirections. So you will see many different features are available in this plugin. In one of the previous videos, I have shown you how you can install and use WooCommerce Memberships plugin, which is available on the official WooCommerce website. And the price of this plugin is only $199 for a single website per year. In other video, I have shown you how you can install and use AR Member plugin. This is another WordPress membership plugin and the price of this plugin is $79 for a single website. In another video, I have shown you how you can install and use membership for WooCommerce Pro plugin by WP and the price of this plugin is only $99 per year for a single website. So if you want to watch these videos, I'll give you the links in the description box. You can watch all these videos, you can compare all the plugins and then decide which plugin will be suitable for your requirements. If you compare the price, then Sumo Membership is the most affordable WooCommerce membership plugin, which will cost you only $39 for a single website. So in this video, we are going to see how to use the Sumo Memberships plugin. So here I'm logged into the dashboard of the WooCommerce website. This is a demo WooCommerce website and I have already installed the Sumo Memberships plugin. If you want to buy this plugin, I'll give you the link in the description box. You can use my link. So let's go back to dashboard. Once the plugin is installed, in the left hand panel, you will see the option Sumo Membership. Click on it. So we are on the dashboard and currently we do not have any membership plan created. Before creating any membership plan, we are going to create a WooCommerce product which will be used to buy a plan. Under Sumo Memberships, you can see the settings. Let's go to settings and these are the basic settings of this plugin. We are on the general tab and on the general tab you will see a restriction type, which is product should not be purchasable or apply content restriction settings. Then hide restricted products in the shop page and the category page. If you restrict any product, then you can hide that product to be shown on the shop page or the product category page. If you want that, you can enable this option. Before that, we are going to create a membership plan and for that, we are going to create a product. So under WooCommerce, you will see products, click on products and click on add new product. And let's name it as a silver membership plan. So this is going to be a product that customer will need to buy in order to become the member of the silver membership plan. Let's add some description. This is going to be a simple product and let's add a price for this product. Let's make it 500 rupees. This demo website is in rupees. You may have different currency on your WooCommerce website. So according to that, you can set up the price for the membership plan. All right, so the price of this plan will be 500. Let's go to inventory. And I do not want customer to make more than one quantity in a single order. So I'm going to enable this option, limit purchase to one item per order. And let's add product image. I'm going to use one of the sample image for this one. So this is going to be the product image. And if you want, you can also create a category. Let's add a category for this product. Let's say subscription. Let's publish this product. All right, so we have created a product for the silver membership. You will see it here. Let's add short description also. update it. Let's refresh it, and you will see the short description of this product. And we cannot increase the quantity because we have limited the purchase to one only. Now let's go back and go to Sumo membership, go to membership plans, and we are going to create a plan here. Let's name it as silver plan and search for the product. Purchasing the following product will provide access to this plan. So we have created this product here, silver membership plan, and if someone makes a purchase of this product, then they will get membership of this plan. So I'm going to select that product, silver membership plan, and membership duration type, let's limit the duration to 365 days. So we are going to offer this membership for 1 year. They will be a part of silver membership plan for the next 1 year or 365 days. Let's click on publish. So we have created one membership plan. Let's go back. You will see one membership plan, that is silver plan. Now we will need to add some products in this plan. So let's go to settings here and let's go to bulk update. Now post type will be product, and all products, if you want them to get 20% discount on all the products, then you can select this option, all products. If you want the customer to get 20% discount on a specific category only, then you can select this option, include category. On this demo WooCommerce website, I have this category, so I'm going to select this category. So I'm going to add that option here, include categories, and select the category. Let's say home decor. So whenever someone makes a purchase of silver membership plan, they will get 20% discount on these products which are in home decor category. Let's go back, and accessible by all members or members with particular plans. So we have selected members with particular plans, and here we are going to add a rule, silver plan. This is the only plan that we have. It will be immediately applied, and let's click on bulk update. So these products will be available only to the silver membership plan. Now let's open this product here. Let me open this product in another window where I'm not logged in, and you will see this product cannot be purchased. That's what it says here. So if I want to buy this product, then I need to buy the membership plan. So I can go to membership plan product, and I can buy this membership plan by making a purchase of this product, silver membership plan. Let's click on add to cart, then go to view cart. I'm going to make a purchase, proceed to checkout, and let's add some dummy information here. Let's click on place order. Alright, so I have bought this product. Let's go back to dashboard, go to WooCommerce and go to orders. You will see this new order here. Let's go to order and let's make it completed. On this website, I'm using cash on delivery as a payment method. So that's why it's not completing automatically. So I'm going to make it completed. And now this customer will be a part of silver membership plan. So it is very easy to create a membership system on your WooCommerce website using Sumo membership plugin. The price of this plugin is only $39 for a single website. If you want to buy this plugin, I'll give you the link in the description box. You can use my link. So that's it for now. See you in the next video.
Do not forget to subscribe to my channel to get more quick tips about online softwares and tools. If you have any questions, please leave us message in comments section. And press the like button if you like the video. Thanks for watching Quick Tips.